Her birthday is very close now.
We can't give another candle.
Yeah, that's too boring for her.
I've been thinking all day. And no ideas?
Nothing feels special enough.
Chocolate? A scarf? Flowers?
She won't like them. Too normal.
Where's the glue?
We need glue for crafts.
Maybe Dad used it downstairs.
Or maybe the glue escaped.
These websites only say mugs.
Mom already has 2 Meili mugs.
She never even uses that big one. The one that says best mom ever? Yeah, it just sits and stares.
Huh? What is this show?
Don't play it. It's creepy.
Just a show, Anna.
I don't like scary things.
It's fake. They want views.
It sounds real, like a warning.
Look, TV's off. All good now.
But the images stay in my head.
Just forget it. You're safe here.
I feel like something is watching.
Nothing's there. You're imagining monsters.
Maybe it's hiding in shadows.
It's probably Mom's big purse.
Okay. Let's talk gifts again.
Good idea. Back to Mom's present.
You two are quiet tonight.
Everything okay, kids?
Yeah, just normal thinking.
School things. Kid things.
Can we go to the store?
Before it closes?
It's dark already outside.
The porch light is on.
Huh. But the road is still dark. I'll stay close to you. Okay.
We'll do it for Mom. We'll figure something out.
Wait, Mom?
Are you okay?
That's little me and Grandma. You look so happy there.
We watched the moon together.
You still love the moon?
Yes, even now, without Grandma.
You have us now, Mom.
We'll do something special.
Look, the clouds covered the moon. It's all dark outside now. I have an idea.
What idea?
Let's give Mom. Oh, moon. The moon.
The moon? We can't buy that.
We can. We can make a moon.
Do we have to go outside?
I'm still scared of dark places.
I'll go with you, Anna.
Okay, let's do it together.
Bring that bag. It may help.
It's darker than I thought.
We'll be quick. You're doing great.
Look, we can use this.
I'm throwing it over there. Be careful, Tom. Let's hide them in the bushes.
This looks beautiful already.
Mom will love this, right? Oh no! It's falling apart! We're running out of time! This won't work anymore.
We need a new plan.
But we tried so hard.
Wait! Look over there!
Is that floating lights?
Let's follow them.
Oh, maybe we can use those.
Don't lose it! Hurry! I'm right behind you, Tom. We'll collect as many as we can.
Are you sure it's safe? I'm with you. Always. Take this. Mom gave it to me. Thank you, Tom.
It helped me when I was scared.
This lamp is not turning on.
Let me check the plug.
Try that switch again.
It's working now.
The lights are on. But
Where are the kids?
Quick! Put the lights in here.
Wow. It's glowing like magic.
Careful with that balloon.
Mom will love this so much.
Let's hang the rest over there.
We're almost ready.
This one goes here. Hold it.
Got it. It's perfect now.
One more light. Done. Let's call Mom.
I think she's coming.
What? What is all this?
Surprise, Mom! Happy birthday to you.
whoa! You kids made this?
I can't believe my eyes.
We made you a moon.
A glowing moon. Just for you.
It's the most beautiful gift ever.
This is amazing. Really.
Thank you, both of you.
We wanted you to smile.
And to feel the moonlight.
I love it so much.
But next time, tell us first.
Sorry, Dad. We just wanted to surprise you.
It worked. I'm surprised.
And happy. Very happy.
Tom, let us add Ben to the balloon.
Good idea. He'll float too.
Look, he's flying with the lights.
Like a tiny bear astronaut. Mom's gonna love this part.
I already do. We should take a picture.
Let's all stand together.
Say cheese. What?
Cheese!
Best birthday ever. Mission complete.
Happy Moonlight Night, Mom. I'll remember this forever.